that shade? No, you say? Well, guess what? You can create it, and you can have it at the push of a button. Check this out. Ha! I love this. Robert Mulvin is the owner of All Pro Shade Concepts, and he can install one of these for you at your home. This is so cool. Instant shade, Robert.
Yeah, he had no patio. He wanted an extra space for entertainment, so we created one for him.
Yeah, I love it. Okay, and on top of that, lights. It's got built-in lights.
Yeah.
It comes out and in with the push of a remote,
Yes.
which I love.
And the lights are dimmable and they get bright. So at night, you know, you don't have to have floodlights or, you know, weird stand-up
It's
lights.
all about the ambiance.
Yes.
I totally agree with you on that one. So let's talk about this particular shade. What do you call it?
This is a retractable awning. So
Okay.
it's a semi-cassette. It has adjustable pitch so we can raise and lower. How, you know, if you got some tall guests, you can raise it up a little bit for them.
Okay, all right, I like that.
This is Sombrella fabric. It's all 100% motorized with a manual override motor. So if your power does go out, it gets a little windy, you can crank it back in. So it's super protected. I mean, it's just great.
So here's the deal with these type of shades. This is actually, it's not only giving us shade, but it's protecting the window.
Yeah, you see this massive slider he put in. So we have shades that go down, protect the window. You can leave those down year round. Or you have shades that can go out, create a space, but also you can see the sun. It's just killer in Phoenix.
Yeah, right.
So it protects this window. I mean, that's an expensive window. It'll make it last 10 times longer than normal.
Yeah, and what I love about it is you can have it when you want it and when you don't.
Put it back
the sun
away.
moves, right?
Yeah.
You don't always need it. So let's talk about color selection, because this is the perfect color for this home. You have lots of choices.
Yeah, so these frame for the shades and the awnings come the same. So you can match them up like he did here, but he wanted a color of fabric to kind of match with the house fabric on the shades to kind of contrast. So that's what we usually do with the awning. So it looks like an extension of the house, like you wanted it to be there.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about color choices, though. Lots of color choices.
Tons of color choices.
Okay.
So there's about 300-400 color choices. There's striped, there's solids, there's mixtures, there's everything you can think of to match your outdoor patio decor or the paint on your house.
Or the house or whatever. Okay, so this one is the retractable awning.
Yes.
Okay, on the window over here, it's also retractable, but it's a roll down.
It's a roll down, so it's good for if you live on a golf course. We're not, but you can drop the shades, you're not home. You don't have to worry about golf balls breaking your windows. It makes it 10-15 degrees cooler in the house. It just makes also.
But you can still see out.
You can
and
see
that's
right
what I
out,
like. Yeah.
but nobody can see it. And look at the privacy. You can't see a thing.
And I think a lot of people do that for that reason, for privacy, but you still want to be able to
Yeah,
enjoy.
you live on a green belt.
Yeah.
You don't want people walking by and seeing what you're doing.
Exactly. I don't know anybody knowing your business.
Cooling the house at the same time.
So here's the deal. Protecting your home, giving you shade outside, but also saving money on
Yes.
your utility bills.
100%.
Summer's going to be brutal. This
And we
summer's
have
killer.
the best prices on all of the products. Free installation. You can't go wrong when you give us a call.
Little special offer here. Robert just mentioned it. Free estimate and free installation. You can visit the showroom. Just make an appointment at All Pro Shade Concepts at 623-204-1476 or visit the website to see and learn more, allproshadeconcepts.com. And you got home projects? Be sure and follow All Pro Shade Concepts and other businesses and services that can help you out. Find our list of Home Pro experts to make it easy, abc15.com/homepros.